Hello everyone. Today in this video I want to talk about a rendering software. The name of the program is twinmotion. Of course, as you know, nowadays architecture offices, architects use many different modeling and rendering programs, and some of them are very common and very popular, as you know, such as 3D Max from Autodesk company. And I have very little knowledge about 3D Max, but I know the program is very difficult. It's not easy program. And as an architect, I usually sketch to share my ideas, my opinions with my customers and of course architects who work with me in my office. And also I use AutoCAD to draw and to reflect my first ideas with people. Maybe most of architects use AutoCAD, as you know. I was thinking that these programs are enough for me, especially in terms of architectural design and modeling. But as you know, an architect should be involved in the rendering process, because maybe rendering process is the most important part of the project production and project presentation process. And I think the rendering process is directly related with the material selection that the architects should choose all materials of the design, I think. And I searched an easy and usable rendering program for a long time. Then I met the twinmotion program. I downloaded the program and I used the trial version of the program. And also I want to show its website, as you see, twinmotion.com. You can visit this website and you can download the program. As you see, there is a try button. When you download and install the program, you can use this program for 20 days. And I should say that the program is very easy and very usable. And also I got some renders without any help. I want to show the renders. For example, for this small house, which was designed by me. This is my project, and I tried to take render using this program, and as you see, I took renders without any help, as I said. The program is very simple to use, and I want to show this with an example. Of course, as I said, you should install the program, and you can download its trial version, as I said, from this website. So after installing the program, you should install, if you use Revit program, you should install twinmotion tool, and you can get this twinmotion tool from Autodesk program pool. I got one. As you see, this one is a sample Revit file. I didn't design this project. You can get this file using file from menu, open, and as you see, in Revit there is a sample files folder. You can find this file and you can open this file. We will use this file for our example. To send this file to twinmotion, you will use this usable tool, and when you click on this eye-shaped button. This program, twinmotion program, is will be open automatically, and you will see your file in the program. And this times according to your computer capacity. Sometimes it takes too much time, sometimes it takes short time, I don't know. As I said, this one is about your computer capacity. When you loaded your Revit file to twinmotion, you will see the materials. twinmotion adds the materials according to your Revit materials, as you see, because in Revit you will add some materials for this elements, and twinmotion knows and adds using its materials. And also you see the trees according to Revit trees. twinmotion choose suitable trees for this objects. When you open twinmotion, you will see three main parts: this one and this one and this one. Three main parts. This part usually about materials, material library, and this one is selection mode. For example, when you select this wall, you will see its name, and you can use elements. We can use this tool for all elements. For example, this tree. When you click on this tree, you will see plane, and you can switch. You can use this switch on and off this tree, as you see. And this part of this program about general settings. I want to show how practical twinmotion is. For example, you can change background easily. In this project, we have a background, and under context, you can see a lot of different background images according to your area's location. For example, your area can be in a city, can be in a countryside. For example, we can use this image. When you click on the image, you will see the image as a background, and also you can rotate image position according to your viewpoint. Location, to change location and lighting is very easy in this program. For example, when we look at location, as you see our north and south ways, and when I change north position, please follow the shadows. The shadows position are changing according to north, as you see. You can change, and also you can change lighting. For example, you can increase sun or reduce, and you can change other things using these tools. After completing these settings, you can take an image using this tool, image, and create image. Okay, you save this image, so you can use this image later. For example, when we go back to media mode, I am changing everything, for example my position, but when we go back to image, I see the same settings in this image. And also when we go back to image, we can use this more button to change its location, its weather, its lighting. For example, when you click on the weather, you can use this button to change weather conditions, as you see, under rain, under snow, for example. And all settings according to your choosing are changing, as you see, at the same time. Let's go back the image again. example, and also the program has very rich material library, as you see, according to metal, concrete, wood. For example, let's choose a material, for example, brick. When you click on this one and when you go to element, you can see the material on the wall, and you can change its some settings, for example scale. It's very easy, and you can add some ready vehicles, for example cars. We can add a car to here, and we can change its position using this tool. As you see, when you complete all things, all settings, you can take a render using this export menu. We will use image 1 and start export, and we will show its location, for example on the desktop into folder. Yes, it takes sometimes according to your computer capacity. It is taking render. Yeah, it's completed. Let's check it. As you see, it's very easy. Of course, you can change different settings. You can change lighting, you can change shadow settings, and you can take more realistic renders. And also you can take some animation. Show an animation that I took before. As you see, it's very easy. Yes, thanks, and see you in the next video.